Good day, beautiful traders out there. You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Today, I am going to share with you guys real quick this powerful strategy, this powerful tool that you are going to use to keep killing the volatility 75 index, guys. This strategy is very powerful. It's very accurate. It's very perfect, guys. So I want every one of you to do yourself that favor and do away with anything that might be a distraction to you, not to listen or to watch this video from the beginning to the end. All right, make sure you do away with that thing, and after watching this video you can go back to whatever you were doing before you start watching this video. So I want every one of us to be making money, and that is more reason I have been sharing something like this. All right, I've been doing something like this and I cannot stop doing it. All right, because even if you say I should continue making the money alone, I won't be able to finish all the money here. All right, so that is why I do share the information that I use to make money for myself with you guys. So I want every one of you, if I am sharing all this information free of charge with you guys, many of you do abuse the strategies. All right, so I want every one of you, do not abuse this strategy. Practice this strategy and you will smile to the bank as others are doing. All right, so one more thing, good thing about this strategy is you can use any time frame of your choice. But before you use any time frame of your choice to execute trade, make sure you have analyzed the chart properly. You have break down the time frame, know the in and out, the pullback from the within any time frame that you are analyzing, and that will give you the edge to what this market is doing. And with that, after analyzing or in combination with what you analyze, joined with this indicator that I'm about to share with you, with this strategy that I'm about to share with you guys, there is nothing that will stop you from making a lot of money from the market, guys. So that is why I want every one of you to pay very close attention. And if anything, be it anything, is distracting you from not concentrating fully on watching this to understand the real information, understand the real things that I really want to share with all of you, do away with that thing. After all, this video is not going to be longer than 10 to 15 minutes. So do away with that thing and make sure you watch this video and get all the information correctly. All right, so hold on, guys. So that is it, guys. So one more thing, the zoom level that I'm using here is just zoom level 3. If you are finding it difficult to assess your zoom level, what you just need to do is you zoom out completely, and once you zoom out completely, you pinch your screen 3 good times. That is when you get to this level, which is zoom level 3. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. So let's dive into the video. And before we do that, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, or if today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olites from Global FX. So what I do here is I teach and train people how to make money online trading. All right, so if you really want me to mentor you on how to be making a lot of money trading volatility 75 and step index and the rest, my WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and contact me. All right, I will definitely give you a breakdown on how we can go about that. So right now, let me share with you what I have for you here. All right, first thing first, this is how this strategy works, and as I said earlier on, you can use any time frame to analyze your chart, and after analyzing your chart, you break it down to any time frame that you really want to be trading on, and with that you'll be able to apply this indicator, and it will work perfectly for you. All right, you will make a lot of money if you follow these 3 rules that I mentioned just now. First rule is you analyze your chart in any time frame that you want, and after analyzing the chart, then you apply this indicator. After you apply these indicators, all right, after you apply these indicators, then you'll be able to execute your trade in any lower time frame, guys. So I want every one of us to be making money, and that is why I am sharing this information with you guys. Without that, I will just do a normal video as others are doing and upload it. You will watch it and you will not understand anything from the video. So I am not that kind of person. I normally come to this place and share whatever I discover that is working for me, and I've used this to make money. I will share it with you guys so that you guys too will make money. All right, because I believe there are a lot of money to be made here in this market. So pay very close attention while I share with you guys how to go about this. All right, hold on, guys. So that is it, guys. So this is how the strategy works. Whenever you see this CCI, all right, whenever you see this CCI above this 50 level here, all right, whenever you see the CCI above this 50 level, and you realize that this our parabolic SARs, that the price is above our parabolic SARs, you will not just jump into the market because you see that all these requirements are met. Whenever you see things like this, what you just need to watch out for is whenever this thing happens here, you just wait for a pullback. All right, once you see a pullback, you open your position somewhere there, then you keep rolling your market except this CCI cross back. And if this CCI is crossing back and this our price have not gotten to this parabolic SARs here, continue, stay on that market, guys. Do not exit that market, stay on it. All right, stay on it. When you are entitled to leave the market or to exit the market is whenever you see something like this, that the price has broken this our parabolic SARs, and you can see what happened here. All right, you can see that. But apart from that, other crossover is just like a zigzag. All right, it's not very effective, guys. So that is what I want every one of you to be doing. And with that, guys, you'll be making, look at what I'm saying, guys. Look at this here. Look at this. Whenever you see this parabolic size above, and look at his, all right, look at this here. So what you need to do, you open your position. This should be happening after you might have analyzed your chart. All right, after you might have analyzed your time frame, the time frame that you wish to start your analysis from. If it is 1 hour, if it is daily, if it is 4 hours, if it is 30 minutes, if it is 15 minutes, name it. Just start your analysis on any time frame, guys. And once you are done analyzing your trade, that is when these indicators, that is when all these tools that are implemented on this chart will start working at your favor. All right, so just follow my instructions properly, guys. Do not just start trading that, okay, this has crossed this place and you just placed a trade. No, you don't do things like that. I know you can do a quick scalp, you can do a quick scalping with that, but you got to analyze your chart properly, guys, before venturing into opening any position. All right, so with that, guys, I believe you will be making a lot of money, guys. You'll be making a lot of money. Look at what I'm saying here. Now, another thing I want you guys to understand is this: if you spot this CCI at this 9.10 level, right, and you spot these are parabolic SARs going up this way, probably before you'll be able to spot this parabolic size formation here, this market might have got into this place. All right, so what you need to do, you open from there, you scalp. All right, this is not actually, this is not a scalp in any way, because this is I am on daily time frame here. All right, so this is a lot of money, guys. If you follow this is a lot of money. All right, so if you open your position somewhere here and roll the market to this place, guys, you will make a lot of money, guys. You will make a lot of money. So I know what I'm telling you, guys. I know what I am telling you. So I want every one of us to be making pure money. That is what we want, and that was our motive of coming to learn how to trade forex. All right, so in that case, I want every one of us to be making profit. So if you analyze your chart, or if you analyze any time frame that you want to be trading on properly, that is when you'll be able to know that probably in so time frame the market will be consolidating. All right, the market will be consolidating just as it happened here now. All right, this is not a trending market, this is a consolidation, but after the consolidation it breaks out. Right, it breaks out. So that is what you'll be able to learn if you analyze your chart, if you do a proper analysis before you implement any strategy, any indicator on your chart. Before you plot any indicator on your chart, make sure you run a proper analysis. And if you do not know how to do all those things, that is why I said if you need my mentorship program, guys, I will teach you how you can be doing this and making a lot of money. This is what I do for a living, so I know how this market works. All right, so if you want me to mentor you on how you can be spotting something like this inside any time frame that you want to be analyzing, contact me via the my contact information that will be in the description of this video for mentorship program, and I will help you out so that you'll be making money just as I'm doing. I am not joking. I am not here to play child play with you. Many people that are teaching you how to trade here on YouTube does not trade for a living, guys. So you should get that straight into your head. All right, that I am not boasting, I'm not flaunting whatever I'm doing does not mean that I'm not making money. If I am not making money, I have like many students that can attest to that. They are making money. Okay, even at this very moment, as in this morning, before I start shooting this video, I received a screenshot from one of my students that he was so happy that he made his first $3K plus dollar in a month. All right, and he just finished his program last month, and this morning he's sending me a screenshot that showing me how much he made and how much he withdraw. All right, so if I am not telling you or teaching what is not working, or I'm teaching you what is not working, many people would have been seeing it, and many people would be like, okay, look at what we see, this is what we see, this is what we find out from the mentorship program. But I am telling you and I'm sharing with you guys what I am using to make a living, to make money. All right, so it is not easy for anybody to be sharing the secret that he or she uses in making money. So that is why if you really want me to mentor you, to teach you how you can be making money every now and then from this market, guys, contact me via the contact information that will be in the description of this video, and I will try my best to assist you. Meanwhile, every other person that is watching this video, I believe you understand what I explained here on this video. Before you embark on any opening of position, make sure you analyze your chart properly. Make sure you analyze any time frame that you wish to start trading on. Make sure you analyze that time frame, and that is when all these indicators, all these tools that we are seeing will come to play. That is where they will assist you. All right, so that is it, guys. If you have any question, or if you have any comment, anything that you really want to ask me, if you have any difficulties setting this up as well, let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to assist you as well. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. And again, guys, and again, if you like content like this and you wish to be seeing content like this, I want you to do me a favor and smash that like button, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be among the first that will be notified that I've uploaded content like this. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. And if you are already a subscriber, you are a returnee, I appreciate you. All right, I appreciate you, and I urge you guys to continue practicing, and with time you will be perfect in whatsoever you are doing. All right, it doesn't happen overnight. You just have to calm down and practice and practice and practice before you can get to where you're heading to. So that is it, guys. If you have any issues connecting or setting this up, as I said earlier on, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to assist you. So that's it, guys. So let me share the settings with you guys right now. You click on this F icon here. All right, once you click on the F icon, the first indicator to be added is our ADX. All right, click on the ADX. Once you click on the ADS, take a screenshot of what you're seeing here. Take a screenshot of how you are seeing my screen and set yours that way, and make sure you set this level properly as it's supposed to be. This is where you will click and go to the level page and set the levels. When you're through setting that up, you click done, and you go back again to the F icon. All right, you go back again to the F icon. As you go back to the F icon, you add our CCI. All right, you add our CCI. Sorry about that, guys. You add our CCI as the second indicator to be added in indicator window 1. All right, you take a screenshot of what you are seeing here. You set yours this way, and then once you are done setting it up, you click done. All right, this is how your indicator window 1 should look like, guys. This is how your indicator window 1 should look like. Then you go to the F icon again. All right, you go to the F icon again. This time around, you are not adding this to indicator window 1. No, you are clicking on this main chart. All right, once you click on the main chart, you add our parabolic SAR. All right, now take a screenshot of what you are seeing here. All right, that is how you should set your own. All right, once you are done setting it up, you click done, and this is how your chart should look like. All right, so make sure you follow my instruction. Make sure you follow what I explained, and if you do not understand anything as I said earlier on, do yourself that favor and let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to assist you. That is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.